Hi, welcome to the part 2 of the Singers from the Dead series. I've soaked this in WD-40. It's still got a heck of a problem here with the actual turning. I've taken this end off and I think the problem is actually deep inside here, which is absolutely full of muck in a terrible state, and really I need to get in there and give it a good clean and try and find out what the problem is. So very quickly I just remove as much as I can off the two rods. That's basically all they are, and very quickly strip these down with a minimum of fuss. And also it's very good that all this is done because they have to be clean. There's no two ways about it. That if you haven't got a clean machine, they're not going to work properly. So just quickly look at this, and just quickly take this one off here. There we go. One thing about these things is that if you lose any of these things, you can't just pop down to your local hardware shop and get them. What I strongly recommend, this is off another machine I'm stripping down at the moment, is a magnetic base that they use in cars, and basically big magnet at the bottom, big dish, you throw everything in and it becomes magnetised and it stays. I'm just using the other one at the moment. Now let's just see what we can do here. Not a lot by the looks of it. There we go. Spring out. That out. When you come to clean these things, just make sure you don't clean too thoroughly the area where that should have located. That will allow you to relocate straight back to where it should be, and then you won't get into any problems. Right, next one. See what I'm doing here. Just loosen two screws. I'll just see what happens. Yeah. Oops, not forgetting the needle, of course. This is in such a bad state, this is going to be quite difficult to strip down. That's the needle gone. That's harder. Let's remove this. As you can see, we're back to the rod again, and hopefully this should come away. More tiny little glove screws. I don't recommend this, but if you're very careful, you get a soft hammer, and you just may be able to free it. There you go. That's just freed it up slightly. And squished with WD-40. As you can see, that's left a line there at the bottom, and that's what you want to go back to if you can. just ease it up and down a few times, and hopefully that should come away. There you go. This is actually worth doing on this sort of one because this is just in such bad condition, totally neglected. And let's just get this out, and hopefully this may be the problem. No, that's quite clean. So the problem's not there. It needed doing anyway. Just take that out as well. We're starting to see that this is absolutely full of muck, and this will, I'll most likely steam clean this, put some engine cleaner in there and steam clean it all out, which is always a lot of fun. But the problem isn't there, which I thought it was going to be. It's further on down in the machine itself, so I'll have to have a start on further inside the machine. Thank you.